today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 go-to summer hairstyles that I'll be wearing all summer long. Summer is right around the corner and I want you guys to look and feel your best, and I'll have a ton of videos coming up, so definitely make sure that you guys are subscribed down below. Today's video, I'm so excited because I'm partnering with IGK, and way before this video, I've been using their products and I absolutely love them. And their packaging is so pretty. Like, can we talk about this? There are so many ways that you can use each product together and on its own, and it just makes your hair look so amazing. So if you guys want to check out any of their products, it will be linked down below. And if you guys want to get any of these hair looks, then let's get started. For the first look, I'm going to be doing Beachy Waves, and I love doing Beachy Waves in the summertime. I think it's so pretty and it's so easy to create. So for this look, I'm going to be using the Rich Kid Coconut Oil Gel from IGK. And this is going to give you a little bit of texture without making your hair look stiff and dry, because it does have coconut oil in it. So right before I blow dry my hair, I'm going to add a little bit of product to the middle two ends of my hair, not the roots, because it can make your hair probably a little bit greasy and you do not want that. And after, of course, I'm just going to blow dry my hair and make sure it's all dry, and then we'll move on to curling it. So to get those ultimate beachy waves, you're going to get a piece of hair, wrap it around the wand, going away from your face. I keep the end pieces out. That is so important in creating that really effortless look. Also, I really like to hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds. But before you release it, make sure that you're holding the curl until it cools down, and that really helps the curl to stay in place. On to the most important steps to make this hair tutorial complete. I'm going to use a little comb to back comb my hair in the roots just to give me a little bit of volume. And then I'm also going to be using IGK's Beach Club Volumizing Texture Spray. And I'm going to spray this throughout my hair after I back comb my roots. Not only does this make your hair so volumized and beachy looking, it also smells like heaven. What I like to do is do a little bit of final touches with the wand again and just curl a few pieces at the top, and then use the texture spray again. And then after that, your hair is complete, and I absolutely love wearing this in the summertime. I think it looks so effortless. So for the second hair look, I'm doing a half up, half down little bun look. What you do is pretty much just take a section in the front, and I used my comb just to back comb it and give it a little bit more volume. And then after that, I used a hair tie. I forgot to pick up those little tiny hair ties, which would have worked way better, but I had a regular hair tie. This is an important step if you have fine or thin hair like I do. When it comes to like the little bun, I really don't like have that much hair, so to make it a little bit bigger and more volumized, I used texture spray and the comb just to make it bigger, and I wrapped it around and secured it with bobby pins. And for final touches, I took out a few pieces of hair and recurled some pieces. And that's the final look. I think this is so easy, and it's a great way to get your hair out of your face but still look so pretty for the summertime. So for this third look, I did a like high pony that's like really messy and textured. Scrunchies are so in right now and I really am loving it. But basically for this look, it's so easy. All I did was tease the front of it just a little bit, and then I put my hair up into a high ponytail, and I really made sure to pull the ends just so it's really, really high. After that, I just pulled a couple pieces out from the front and added some texture spray and added the scrunchie. That's pretty much it. This is such an easy look, but it's still really cute for the summertime, especially if you add the hair accessories like the scrunchie. So this look is really easy as well. It's just a bun, and what really makes it is this little accessory from Forever 21. It's just a bow scrunchie thing, and I think that it's so cute for the summertime. Pretty much what I did was just put my hair up in a ponytail, and again, I used the volumizing beach spray just to texturize it, and I back combed it just a little bit to give volume before I wrapped it around. Then I secured it with a couple bobby pins, pulled some pieces of hair out, then I just added this little hair accessory, and I think this really does make the whole look. I always put my hair up in a bun, so just adding this just makes it look more put together. And I think this is the perfect hairstyle to wear during the summertime if you don't want your hair down. So for this final look, this was the easiest one. It's just 2 regular braids that are really textured, really loose and undone. To get this look, I just used my comb and brushed out my hair, and I added to the ends of my hair the Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm from IGK. This really just adds a lot of moisture and shine back to your hair. And basically I made 3 sections and created a braid. And I also just added some texture spray to the top of my hair and pulled out some pieces in the front. And I did the exact same steps on the opposite side as well, and that's pretty much it. This is the final look, and I think this is so cute, especially if you're going to the beach or something, or just a casual day. So I hope you guys got some hair inspo for the summertime, and if you want to check out any of the IGK hair products, they will be linked all down below. Definitely go check them out though, because seriously, they are so amazing. And you guys already know the drill. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I'll see you hopefully in my next video. Bye!